Units in AutoCAD. When you're going to start your drawing, first of all, it's necessary to check your units and select your desired units. For the units, type UN, enter. A dialog box will appear. Here at the top it shows length, type. In this we have various type: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. Let's select architectural. In architectural we see foot and inch. A single quote above this digit is called feet. Double quote means inch. Whenever you want to enter, for example, 18 inch, you have to enter 1/6. Mean 1 inch first digit has 1 chord and second to 6 has 2 chord. But when it go to decimal and then you are using for example the feet system, inch system, then you need to insert 1.5 in the feet. In the inch you have to insert 5, and the feet you have to insert 1.5 at the inch 18. Next is angle. An angle, here we have decimal degree, minute, second, grade, radians, and surveyor units. We go with decimal degrees. Precision mean how you give, for example, 3.1 degree, 3.2 degree, like that. So we go with 2 decimal point after 0. Here is one checkbox. It's called clockwise. Let's see what that means. Go to direction. In direction, here we have see east 0, north 90, west 180, south 270. Other, you can pick other or type type your desire, and you can enter. What does east 0 mean? Whenever you are driving in AutoCAD sheet, the right hand side is a 0 degree. A straight line to the right hand side is a 0 degree, and a perpendicular on that or a straight line to the north will be a 90 degree line in the same other. So here that means anti-clockwise. If you want to go with clockwise, just check this box to go clockwise. So for now we call it uncheck. Here are lighting unit for specifying the intensity of light. We have two options: international and American. So that was all from units. You can also have units from here down from status bar. Here you can on units, but these units just contain like architectural, decimal, engineering, and these things. But you can not, you don't have lots of option in that. You can just select the free arrange units.